Right, so dual interviews, and you're not even doing the same talk together, but I figured I'd grab you both at the same time. And I'll just zero in a little bit on the donut that Jeff is eating right now, right there in his hand.
Yeah, in front of my big belly.
Yeah. So, first of all, who are each of you?
I'm Javier Lozano.
Okay, and
I'm his orphaned brother, Jeff.
I can tell the family resemblance,
family
actually.
resemblance is striking.
That's right.
Especially the hairline.
Oh, nice.
I can talk.
You can.
Yeah. So, first of all, what are you going to be talking about, Javier?
I'm going to be speaking about ASP.NET MVC and the open source tools that are available for developers to use.
Oh, the peas and carrots talk. That's right.
Yes, it is.
Yeah. Okay. And Jeff, what did you just get finished talking about?
I just got done talking about Windows Phone. So developing apps on Windows Phone.
Okay. So, first of all, Jeff, what specifically did you get into in the talk?
Really focused on the Silverlight side of the equation, talking about how you develop Silverlight-based applications for Windows Phone. Kind of introduced just some of the basics, some of the differences between a Windows Phone app and a traditional Silverlight app, and at a high level, some of the other services that are there.
Okay, and Javier, with your talk, with the tools, if you had to pick one of them out of all of them that you really, really like to use, what would it be, and why?
Why? I would have to say it would be my tool.
Oh, Turbine. Whoa, wait, this is supposed to be a PG talk? Okay, come on. Typical Javier. Turbine, right?
Yes, MVC Turbine. Yep.
So what is Turbine, actually? Because, I mean, I've seen you tweeting and talking it all up, and I don't even know what it's about. So
it's a marketing buzz for me to get more followers on Twitter. No, what MVC Turbine is, it's a way for you to develop composite MVC applications with very minimal work.
Okay.
So essentially, you can create small chunks of your code or small chunks of your application in assemblies and be able to really aggregate them all at runtime by just literally dropping into your bin folder.
Oh, okay. So I think I saw you do this talk a year or two ago at Iowa CodeCamp. Have you revamped it to now be more Turbine-based, sort of?
Yeah.
Maybe?
No, this is actually... this is really just me talking about all open source tools. I will be talking about Turbine just at the end because it's one of the ones that people have been wanting to know about.
It's the best one.
And it's the best tool. But I will be talking also, for example, about Spark, the Spark View engine.
Oh, yeah.
I'll also talk about MVC Contrib and other vendor. We're talking about the Telerik MVC control toolkit out there. So it's kind of show you the breadth of what's available out there and allow you as a developer make the choice.
So, going back to you, Jeff, one of the things that just came out this week was the iPhone 4 stuff. And one of them was supposedly that they're trying to make it really hard for other languages to get in. I don't know if you heard any about this.
Oh, yes.
So, why would they do that?
Well, that's a good question.
And how can they even enforce it? I talked to Don before about this in one of the interviews. And Don said later, how would you even enforce this? How would you know that I use like C# or whatever?
Yeah, I know in the case of supposedly of Adobe's tool that they were coming out with, there was some buzz on the net that said that by looking at the structure of the binaries that were put out, the way they were kind of built, that it was very easy to tell that was the Adobe tool that actually created that application. In the case of MonoTouch, I don't know if you could do the similar thing or not. I don't know why they would do it. It seems if you're in a platform battle, it would seem like you would pretty much want anybody that could possibly develop an app for your platform to do it regardless of tool, but to each their own, I guess.
Gotcha. So, last question. If you two had to do a mashup talk today on the fly, not asking you to do it, but what would the topic be?
The effects of red sweaters and dinners.
Ooh, that would be good. That's an inside joke for those of you. You'll all get that.
It's a PG-13 video, so I'm just going to have to keep it as that.
The effect of red sweaters. And what was again the effect of red sweaters and
during dinner?
Or maybe an integrated online and mobile experience using Windows Phone and ASP.NET MVC with MVC Turbine.
There you go.
I like the red sweater one better.
It's much more entertaining.
Yeah, we'll have to talk about that offline, or maybe I'll put in a red band trailer video on YouTube for this later. So anyway, thanks guys, appreciate it.